The Boppermobile has gone blind in one eye. You can also see that a bird has decided to express themselves on my fender, but that's a project for another day. Today we're just gonna take care of the headlights. So, right here is the back cap of the light. This is the driver's side light. Okay, that comes right off. So this pries out. It's just like pulling a plug out of a wall. It pulls right out of this. Don't get excited and start screaming that I'm not supposed to be touching it, because this is the old bulb. Gently, but also firmly make sure that you push them in so that your bulb's not going to fall out after you put the whole thing back together, because that would be great fun. You can ask right at your auto parts store. I prefer to go to O'Reilly's Auto Parts myself, but I'm going to do both. So here are my two bulbs. And here's some bulb grease. You put a little dot of it on each prong on the end of the bulb. It prevents corrosion. So this is the old bulb. And I'm going to show you how to put the grease on the prongs before you stick them back in the socket. We got our grease, and you can see there's a little bit of it sticking out there, because I already did it without you guys. I didn't take you along, and I apologize. So with my finger, I'm going to squeeze a little bit more grease out of the thing. Little dab right there. And then you roll it over. This is the other side. We put a little bit right there too. What I can compare it to is you're sticking the prongs like you would into an outlet if you're plugging in anything in your house. I grab it on this little metal part between my thumb and forefinger and push like that. And give it a good firm, after you push it in, give it a good firm little push just to make sure that it's stuck in there well. I got my latex gloves on. Looks like I'm about to perform surgery. This is my very first how-to video. My camera stand is back at home in Maine. I'm gonna actually post a link to a really good one. But anyway, here's the moment of truth. Let's see if these eyeballs both turn on, huh? All right. Hey, what do you know? Look at that. They both work. Uh-oh. Should we go? Yeah, let's do it. If I call something a doodad, and it's actually technically called a ding-dong, please feel free to comment. It's not going to bother me. I will learn something along with the rest of the YouTubers.